Sunday, guys. It's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365, bringing you another amazing video. I have something super special today. First of all, I hope you're all enjoying a good weekend. If you're new here, my name is Mike. I'm an indoor gardener, primarily hydroponics, of course. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and so kindly make sure to check out the links down below because they contain everything that I utilize to grow indoors. All right, let's check out what I got going on. We're here. Last time I made a video was about a week ago, and I told you guys that I'm gonna be regrowing lettuce. By the way, if you're new to the channel, this is what lettuce regrowing looks like. I am actually missing a ton of water. It looks like these plants drank so much water. I mean, look at this. This type of root system drinks so much water, it's unbelievable. I'm actually excited. I'm probably going to trim one of the heads tomorrow just to see what it tastes like. But I'm more fascinated what I got going on right here. Legitimately regrowing celery. I mean, look at this. I'm like I'm so excited about this. I really am. It looks amazing. Everything looks like it's holding strong. The top system is exactly how you would find at the supermarket, and we literally just have several lettuce stalks growing from within. I mean, on both of these. I mean, look what I got growing. I mean, look at the greenery on that. It's definitely going to be this one, maybe this one. I'm not sure about that one. Actually, maybe it's just the ones with the flowering up top. But bottom line is, it's growing. I just want to take a look at one thing, where the water level is. Overall, the water is, you guys can't see, but the water is right at the proper level where it's hitting on the root. My poor plant down there, this guy right here, those leaves actually still look good. I'm probably going to hit these for a quick salad tomorrow just to end what's going on back here, and I'm going to probably plant 2 celery heads just to regrow them. Definitely going to start germinating probably some new seed. I would say tomorrow I would like to. These are kind of looking a little yellowish because these plants are probably missing some proper nutrients. You know, no doubt about that. Unfortunately, I just haven't given them anything. I'm just seeing how things are going overall. But overall, the lettuce heads look pretty good. You know, as I've been going on, the regrowing process has been freaking awesome. It really has. I mean, honestly, it looks like you just get like multiple heads, smaller heads from each plant. This is crazy. It really is. The basil is still holding strong. I promised you guys a cloning video, and that I will make that happen. I mean, look at, it's crazy. Like from one lettuce plant, like let's say we use this plant right here with the one stalk. Look how many nodes that you can get. You know, every single piece in the corner, you could basically cut those off and create a whole new huge plant just from that. I gotta get this thing out of here. I mean, actually I could clone that one right there. Okay, anything with a stem and 2 or 4 leaves on it is totally clonable. But really what I wanted to show you guys is like the regrowth of celery hydroponically. I mean, it's crazy, it really is. But it's interesting also that there's no root system. You know, correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I have no idea. I've never, first of all, regrown vegetables such as celery or lettuce. So by doing this, it's really exciting for me, honestly. I'm super stoked. I hope to see the celery like this high, and then I'm just going to trim it down and juice it. I'm going to take a few bites out of it, but I'm going to juice it, and I really just can't wait to really see what the result is. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully you guys are growing. I've had a number of people connect with me over Facebook, and they're showing me like crazy looking indoor grows, which I'm so excited about. You know, when people are showing me, they have like, this guy has got like huge plants. He's got like amazing looking, maybe I think he's got kale, or what did he have? Chard. I think he had chard. And his chard looked absolutely gorgeous. Humongous leaves. Humongous. Beautiful coloring, beautiful stalks, really nice and healthy looking. Did a really good job, man. Congratulations on that. Again, make sure you guys are hitting the links down below for anything that you need in regards to hydroponics, everything from lights to shelving to timers, tubing, fans, pumps, seeds. Make sure to watch the back videos too, guys. All the back videos are amazing. I had that one monster video. If you're new and you came across this video, make sure to go back into my catalog of videos and look at one of the first videos that I ever posted. It's over an hour long and it's an A to Z guide on how to grow everything, how to create these bins, how to do everything. It's pretty epic, honestly. I'm gonna keep this short, guys. It's late, it's Sunday. I want to post this on Monday morning. I hope you guys get an amazing kickoff for the week. I'm super tired. I just wanted to kind of fill you in on what's going on with that celery because it's absolutely unbelievable. But make sure you kick butt, guys. This week's coming up. It's going to be a hard week. Stay away from the corona. Make sure to give me the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and hit the links down below. Hope you all have a blessed week. Talk to you guys soon.